Hello. We doubled our coronavirus. It's up to 1,000 now in New York. Look at the masks. I just came from Germany, so you guys are gonna get it if you get it. No, I'm okay. This is ridiculous. We have 1,000 now in New York.
Yeah.
Good morning and welcome on board JetBlue Airways flight number 1403 with service to San Juan. With your futures to fly with us today. We hope you enjoy the JetBlue experience. Once you've located your seat, please step out of the main island into your row. This will allow those customers behind you to pass. If you brought on two carrying items, please place the small one underneath the seat in front of you. Thanks so much for your help. Welcome on board. Buen día, damas y caballeros, bienvenidos a vuelo del vuelo número 1403 de JetBlue Airways con destino San Juan. Les damos las gracias por haber elegido a JetBlue. Por favor, entren a su fila para que los demás pasajeros puedan pasar. Si trajeron dos equipajes de mano, coloquen el más pequeño debajo del asiento. Gracias por su cooperación. Bienvenidos a bordo.
Go ahead.
Okay. Thank you.
You have an extra one? Everyone's washing their seats. He's washing his seats. Smart. You have an extra one of those or no?
No, this isn't even mine.
Everyone's just washing. This is going to be a thing for the history books. I just came from Europe, so if you're getting it now. No, I got tested and everything, so I'm good. All right, everybody's washing their seats here on the plane. Nobody did that coming like 9 hours. You know, there's a curfew in Puerto Rico now, right?
Yeah.
And she wants to close the airports too.
Yep.
But that's not going to happen.
It might.
No, you can't. I have to give 72-hour notice, and
I mean, she requested it to the FAA.
it's not going to happen. You had to leave. You have to let society work. If you close the airports, the airlines may stop going, but the airports have to stay open. How are you going to get food into the country? We might not get back. I'm figuring I'm gonna be there for 2 months. I'm Mike. Nice to meet you. Anyway, so we're going to Puerto Rico. It looks like everyone's cleaning the seats. Sorry? And everyone's wearing masks. This will never happen again, I hope.